People are making money. I am so excited with the new community, which I just launched 2 weeks ago. Top Dog Trading community. We have, first of all, 267 members as of this minute. So pretty great within 2 weeks. Lots of activity. And again, people making money, which is the most important thing. So when you come into the Top Dog Trading community, here's what you're going to get. Obviously, you get the community where people post and respond to each other, talk back and forth, and teach one another. Now, here the tab is this classroom. So this is only $35 for the whole community, for everything. And you get a complete trading system. I call it the Top Dog Trading Super Simple Trading System, the most simple trading system I've ever created or ever seen. And then we got the next level and trading psychology. And then also you get access to all the seminars I've ever done in the past, and options mini course, another mini course, make money by breaking all the rules of traditional technical analysis. Here's one about personal growth. Here's some great third-party videos, and just for fun, got some fun stuff in there for you as well. Now, when you come over to the calendar here at the top, you'll see that we have calls, live calls, twice every single week. And there they are. You just go ahead and click on this, and you can join the call. That's included as well. These are live calls with me. Every single time they're with me personally. You can come on, ask questions. We look at trades, whatever you need help with. I'm there to help you personally. Members, you can come over here and you can access other members. You can learn about people who are in membership now. You can chat with people. So a lot of people are making friends. First of all, you can see their introduction here. And then a lot of people are making friends. And so you can come in here and chat with them individually if you don't want to post to the group. And that's awesome. And then we've got leaderboards. And so there's a competition involved here as well. So you can go in and you can see, oh, look at this, Andrew, #1 across the board right now. But of course, we've only been open for 2 weeks. So we've got 7-day leaderboard, 30-day all time. So even if you come in, at any time you come in, you can start qualifying for the 7-day leaderboard because that refreshes every single week. So right here, pin it to the top. This very first discussion board is the live session recordings, and they're right in there for you to access anytime that you want. And you can get feedback on your trades, as you see here. This person's asking about brokers and platforms. This one, great question, just came in today about AI, artificial intelligence and trading. Here's somebody who posted a trade that they took and asked others, hey, can you analyze this for me? Would you take this? Was this a good trade, or did I make any mistakes? So here's another person who posted their trade for the day. And this is the super simple system that I talked about. Traded it on a forex intraday. By the way, the super simple system, this works for forex, futures, crypto, stocks, options, whatever you trade, and intraday or swing trading. That's another question I get. So this person's doing forex intraday. And we have 3 exits on it, but they're brand new to the system. So they completely exited at exit 1 in the system because they weren't quite sure yet, haven't followed through on the course on how to exit at level 2. But they were able to make some profit, and they said, yep, they could have made more profit if they had an understanding of exit 2, which they will very soon. So we got people making money, honey. Here's another person who posted a trade, and let's open up that and see that this is so cool. You can put images in here. You can even put videos in here if you want to. They took their first profit at $200, moved their stop loss to a profit of 50, and the momentum. There's the second. Now this person did know about the second profit target. And so they got 350 there for a total of $550 on 2 contracts. Again, now you can open up these charts and look and really see what the person did. You can see they annotated it, which is awesome. You can also post videos in there, and then you can go down and reply to other people. We have some senior students who are in here who will give you feedback as well as myself. I'm in here every single day responding to people, giving you feedback and so forth. Now here's another trade a person posted, and as you can see now, they're using long-term charts, 6-hour bars, and that's what's great about the super simple system. It accommodates any market, any time frame, whatever. And so they posted this trade earlier, and then they came back to the community later, and they said, okay, now my trade has hit my second profit target. and they've got their third contract on as a runner. And so obviously they're making money as well. And they're posting here all kinds of details. And there's just so much learning that is occurring here. And I really appreciate students helping students. Quite often at the beginning of the day, people will just post and say good morning to everybody and greet everyone. Here's Mario. Mario's working with Mario last week. And we talked about trading psychology for him. And so he realized that, hey, maybe I need to trade less. And again, I was talking with him individually to help him with his trading psychology, and everyone's a little different. And so sure enough, he came back and he did what we talked about, and he said, I'm done. I had 2 wins today. I'm done. And a profitable day, which is exactly what we all want. So to check out the community, just go to topdogcommunity.com and you'll come to this page here. A little intro video, as you can see, it's only $35 a month. For that, you get the courses, you get the all the seminars that I've done in the past, you get access to the community, you get help, personal help from everybody, you get the live calls with me personally twice every week. I mean, it's just a no-brainer. It's the best deal that we've ever had, and it's a super active community, and you're going to make friends. So get feedbacks on your trades and hone in your trading with those feedback loops until we've got you on the straight and narrow, being consistently profitable. So look forward to seeing you on the inside.